Hey everyone, if you're looking to access and use Google Chat in your Gmail account, I have got you covered. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to add and start chats directly from the Gmail app. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail app. To enable Google Chat, tap on the three lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings. Here you'll be seeing Chat and Meet. Simply tap on Chat and toggle it on. Tap and turn on. Now that the chat is enabled, tap on the chat icon at the bottom of your screen. You will be taken to your list of conversations. To start a new chat, tap the plus icon at the bottom right corner. From here, you can either search for an individual contact by typing their name or email address. After you have selected, just type your message in the text field and hit send. Your message will go straight to your contact and you'll be able to keep the conversation going right inside Gmail. And that's it. Now you know how to start and manage chats on your Gmail account. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.